Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to remote learning. I hope you are all doing well. Student, this is grade 7 social studies. We are going to conduct our classes through this online session. Hopefully you are spending your quality time at home. But now it is start of your new session and we will start our this session with an introduction. Before that, I will ask you to keep your copies and skill and your books with you so that we may start our lesson. Student, today's lesson is about the geography. We will start our grade 7 social studies through geography portion, and we will start our today's lesson, and hopefully you will understand it as you have already some introduction about this topic. So welcome to the first lesson of grade 7, and hopefully you will enjoy here in grade 7, and we will study and do the task assigned through this online session. And whenever we will have our physical classes, we will go further for classwork studies in the groups, and you will get your single assignments as well. So let's start our today's lesson. This lesson is about the geography part of your social studies, that is chapter number 1, plains and rivers. So students, we all know that our earth is having some certain physical features which are very much important for the mankind on this earth. Human being is living from centuries here, and all the physical features of the land, they have variety in them. Some physical features, they are important as they have their importance for all the living things in the planet earth, and similarly the other features which are available here, they are not only important for the life on the earth, but they also enhance the beauty of the land. So our earth is made up of water 70% and 30% is the land, which is dry area. And as far as we see the map of the earth, this distribution of the land or dry area is not even. Anyhow, somewhere we can see some deserts, somewhere plateaus and plains, then mountains, and similarly we can also see the islands which are along with the sea, and the plain areas which are found around the sea and oceans. We will study one by one how important they are for the human beings and how important is to study the life over there. So life over there is having some different challenges. Every place has its own value as well as it is having certain challenges with it. So some places are specific for living, some places are specific for having the high population, more number of people are living there. Some places are having some hard conditions, just like the mountains, the deserts, and some places are having the fertile lands. Some are having the dry areas, barren, and some are having some very pleasant climate, and some are the coastal areas, beaches along the sea. So here we will one by one study about the certain specific features of the earth. So first of all, let's start with some little introduction about the plains. What are plains? Plain is an area of treeless land with the gentle changes in its elevation, because the land is used in this case for making houses and other commodities of life. So this area is usually treeless, but if it is not, then the trees are removed or cut from these areas to provide the commodities to the population, and this is little bit you can sign of some danger for the life on the earth, as we are cutting the trees and we are living there. to settle the new settlements, and we are just missing the greenery. We are just cutting the trees without any second thought, just in order to settle the human beings in the new communities or new lands. So anyhow, this is another challenge. We will discuss it later on. Next, we will talk about the biodiversity. It is a variety of organisms which are present in any area. And similarly, the delta, really there are rivers which are flowing through the plain areas, and basically they arise from the mountains. So once they go down towards the lands, they have to meet at certain places where their speed is relatively slow as compared to the mountains. So when they slow down, the rivers meet in the ocean in a place. This place is called as delta. Now we will talk about the habitats of the living thing. Habitat is a place where any organism can live. So students, this is your homework for today. I am showing you this part, and what you have to do, you just go through these 4 definitions. This is just the introduction and start of your new task, your new classwork. So what you have to do, go through these definitions, read them carefully, and we will learn more about all these things, all the other things as well, which we have not yet discussed. So hopefully you will enjoy learning through this session, and inshallah when we will have some physical classes, we will do some activities as well related to the plains, mountains and rivers. So thank you very much. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.